There's a song that I've been singing. I want y'all to sing it. It's easy. It just says this. It says, that's all right. That's all right. That's all right. That's all right. Why? Long as I know I got a seat in the kingdom. That's all right. Oh, that's all. You got to say it again. Say it. That's all right. Oh, I hear y'all now. That's all right. Oh, as long as I know, seated, that's all right. Oh, one more time. Oh, that's all right. Come on, church. Say that's all right. Hey, long as I know, that's all right. Oh, that's all right. Song says this, one of these mornings, it won't be long. You'll look for me and I'll be gone. But as long as I know, guess what, y'all? That's all right. Oh, that's all. Oh, if you want to go to heaven like anybody else, then treat your neighbor like you treat yourself. Long as I know, that's all right. Come on, say it again, church. That's all right. Oh, that's all right. Hey, that's all right. I want to hear you say, long as I know, see that's all right. I don't hear enough of y'all clapping. Say it one more time. Say that's all right. That's all right. Oh, that's all right. Say as long as I know, that's all right. One more time. That's all. Listen to me. One of these mornings, it won't be long. You'll look for me. I'll be gone on home. Oh, but long as I know, that's all right. Oh, let me tell you this. If you want to go to heaven like anybody else, you treat your neighbor like you treat yourself. As long as I know, I got some praises over here now. That's all. That's all right. Say 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 that's all right. Now everybody clap your. Let me hear some double claps in here. Come on. Come on, those of you that know it's all right. Put your hands together real good. Come on. As long, I'm not here for position. I'm not here for parking spot. I'm here because I believe. That's why I can say this and I gotta move on. Just say I got a feeling that everything is gonna be all right. Let me hear you say everything. I don't hear you say now that I got a feeling everything. It's gonna be all right, yeah. Be all right. I promise I'm moving the clock since I'm out of time. But I want to encourage somebody. The Holy Ghost has told me that everything is gonna be all right. Oh, the Holy told me everything. Oh, you know the Holy Ghost told me everything. Oh, be all right. Gonna be all right. Be all right. I want you to put your hands together one time and we're gonna pray. Hey, be all right. While you're not clapping, be alright. Whatever it is, say be alright. Say alright, 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 alright. Say alright in my home.